Hey, what's going on everyone? John here from Tech on a Budget. I know this doesn't look like my usual setup, but it's because today we have a special unboxing. This just came in today and I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty scared because I know what's inside, I helped design it, but I haven't seen it in person yet. Shoot. Okay. First I'll show you guys the box. It's Joy-Cons. Alright, we got the thumbnail down. Ooh. I don't want to show you guys this other piece because it's going to give it away, but let's get into the Joy-Cons. Oh my god. Oh no. So what do we have? We got custom painted Joy-Cons. And not just any color. Oh my goodness. But they're GameCube themed. Are you seeing this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm like so nervous right now because they just look so awesome. Oh jeez. And something special that I didn't even request, but it's tough to see, but we got the Tech on a Budget logo right in the back. Yo, these are sick. Oh man. Alright. They also come with grips that match. They're also custom painted. Oh. But to really bring it all together, we got, jeez, a painted grip with the GameCube logo on it. Yo, this is, oh my goodness. Dude. Look at that. That is sick. So that was my unboxing video for these GameCube themed Joy-Cons. This is my first unboxing video, so I'm sorry if things were a little unorganized, but I'll get better at it, I promise. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick look at the GameCube themed Joy-Cons. Be on the lookout for a full review of these guys within the next week. And as always, if you guys like this video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. And if you want more content like this, you can subscribe right over here. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be alerted when I post that review. Now I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a good one. Oh my goodness. These are sick.